Welcome to Sorrel Gardens, where nature meets elegance. Breathe in the beauty, and let greenery brighten your world. At Sorrel Gardens, our vision is to cultivate a stronger green community, one that inspires eco-friendly living and nurtures a sustainable future for generations to come. At Sorrel Gardens, we inspire green thumbs under every roof, spreading nature, nurturing serenity, and creating lush, breathable spaces for a healthier tomorrow. Passion met purpose, and Sorrel Gardens was born. Since 2014, we've been on a mission to create a greener world, one plant at a time. Inspired by the words, "Be the change you wish to see in the world," we bring nature closer to you. Step into Sorrel Gardens, where nature comes alive. Our two sprawling nurseries house 100+ exotic plant species from across the globe. From lush foliage to vibrant orchids and alluring cacti, we bring you the finest greens for your space. Your search for distinctive gardening ends here. Love nature? Dream of a green escape? Let Sorrel Gardens transform your space into a lush, magical heaven. From vibrant landscapes to serene green corners, we bring nature right to your doorstep. Let's create your dream garden. Every individual is unique, so why should your space be any different? At Sorrel Gardens, we bring you handpicked, charismatic statement decor from around the world. From elegant accents to nature-inspired pieces, we help you create a space that reflects you. Let your space mirror your style. Amidst the growing concrete jungle, finding space for greenery can be tough. That's why Sorrel Gardens brings you miniature gardens and terrariums, tiny, enchanting green worlds for your home or office. Imagine a living, breathing garden right on your desk. Let's bring nature to every corner. At Sorrel Gardens, we go beyond plants. As a wholesaler, we offer exotic plants, designer pots, garden decor, and more. Need corporate or return gifts? We've got you covered. Shop pan-India online, or let our expert caretakers revive and nurture your plants. Plus, we mentor plant lovers to grow with confidence. Sorrel Gardens, your all-in-one green destination. Visit Sorrel Gardens in Injambakkam, ECR, opposite Goyal Marbles. Open daily, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Step into greenery, let nature inspire you. Step into Sorrel-inspired living at Uthandi, ECR, next to Gossip Bistro. Open daily from 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. Explore nature, style, and elegance, all in one place. Get in touch with us. Call or email. Let's bring nature closer to you. Stay connected with us. Find Sorrel Gardens on Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, and Pinterest. Follow at Sorrel_Gardens for daily green inspiration. Thank you for growing with Sorrel Gardens. Keep spreading green vibes. See you soon.